At Northeast Hair Restoration, we provide hair transplants for men and women who have hair loss for a multitude of reasons. For the most part, we're doing transplants using an FUE procedure, or follicular unit extraction, where we shave the back of your head and then transplant the hair to the parts of your scalp that you want your hair replaced. We also sometimes use an FUT procedure, which is sometimes called a linear strip excision, or a strip, where we take a strip of hair, cut it up, and then put it into the areas that you're looking to have your hair transplant. There are very few facilities that do the no-shave technique. There are a lot of people who say they do no-shave, but we've been doing it for years, and a lot of people have just started. Mark and I are probably the best in the area because we've been doing it so long. Philosophy is we want to give the patients exactly what they want for the best quality at a great price, and we'll take care of whatever they need and make sure that they're happy in the end. I've had the procedure myself, the consultant has had the procedure himself, so we know what they're going through, and so we know all the pitfalls that can happen, we know the parts that may or may not be painful, and we try and make them as comfortable as possible. And because we've been through this and our technicians have been doing this for 15 or 20 years, we're prepared for any sort of questions or anxieties patients may have. So this is a great team. We've all been together for many years, from the consultant to the physicians to the technicians to even the secretaries. It's almost like a family here. And so when you come in, you're going to feel comfortable. You realize that everybody has been working together, there's no strangers, and it's actually a lot of fun to have your transplant done here, and we all have fun doing it with you.